Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez. Today we're doing a sausage and broccoli recipe. Pretty easy. Let's cook. Okay, so let's put our butter in our pan. Let's start off with our onions. And our garlic. Saute those for a couple minutes. Now we're gonna add our sausage. Okay folks, so we're using some hot smoked sausage, right? Now, we're gonna add our broccoli. Want it just like that. We're not going to come up any smaller. Now to this we're going to add some better than bouillon. And some tomato paste. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. Okay, you can add some salt and some pepper to your taste. Okay, after about 10 minutes of cooking, let's see. Ooh wee. Look at this, folks. See that? It's our world famous foods, sausage and broccoli. Okay, it's time to eat. Sorry, Ryan Daniels. Nothing again for you, brother. See, look again, look at that. Look at that, look at that. All right.